Hola, com esteu? En aquest vídeo veureu unes frases bàsiques i la idea és que escolteu i repetiu aquestes frases. És un vídeo realment per principiants, però pot anar bé també si voleu practicar una mica la pronunciació, d'acord? Llavors, com sempre, aquí teniu els subtítols i els podeu activar a YouTube i realment és molt senzill activar-los. Llavors, si ja esteu a punt, doncs va, som-hi!
We will always see a word being written and being read out loud by me twice. Then you will have time to repeat, and then I will reveal the meaning. Hola. Hola. Bon dia. Bon dia. Bona tarda. Bona tarda. Bona nit. Bona nit. Adeu. Adeu. So here maybe you know some words like hola or adeu. Those are greetings. So the first four are to say hi. So hello, good morning, good afternoon, good night. And adeu is to say goodbye. You will hear sometimes people saying deu, so they don't use the a, so they don't say adeu, they say deu. It's also possible. Both are correct. It's more colloquial to just take the a out. So repeat after me. Hola. Bon dia. Bona tarda. Bona nit. Adeu. So let's keep seeing new words. Sisplau. Sisplau. Moltes gràcies. Moltes gràcies. De res. De res. Sí. Sí. No. No. So sisplau means please. I wrote it that way because actually it's not the correct way to write it, but it's the way people say it, like colloquially, so it's the best way you can think about it. Originally, si us plau was for plural or formal situations, and si et plau was for just one person, but actually in the use, people just say sisplau. It doesn't matter if they're talking to one person or several, so it's how people use it, and that's why we're going to see it that way during the course. Sisplau. Moltes gràcies. Thank you. You can also say gracias. De res, you're welcome. Sí, yes. No, no. So repeat after me. Sisplau. Moltes gràcies. De res. Sí. No. Com estàs? Com estàs? Molt bé, i tu? Molt bé, i tu? How are you? I'm good or very good. And you? Com estàs? Molt bé. I tu? Em dic... Em dic... Soc de... Soc de... Molt de gust. Molt de gust. So if you're talking to someone, you will say, my name is, em dic, soc de, I am from, and molt de gust means nice to meet you. So I will do it with my examples. Em dic Laura. Soc de Barcelona. Molt de gust. Now you can repeat it with your own information. So you can say your name and the city or town you come from. Em dic, soc de, molt de gust. No parlo català. No parlo català. Parla anglès? Parla anglès? No ho entenc. No ho entenc. Okay, so no parlo català means I don't speak Catalan. Parla anglès, do you speak English? And no ho entenc means I don't understand. If you take the no out, then you say I understand. Ho entenc. Okay, so repeat after me. No parlo català. Parla anglès? No ho entenc. No m'agrada. No m'agrada. No m'interessa. No m'interessa. So again, here we have I don't like, I'm not interested in, but if we take the no out, then we have I like, I'm interested in. So for instance, m'agrada Barcelona. M'interessa la cultura. So repeat after me. No m'agrada. No m'interessa. Now we're going to see some questions which are very, very useful and typical and will be repeated again and again, not only in this course, but also in real life. And let's see what they mean. Què? Què? On? On? Quan? 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 Quin? Quin? So you might have noticed that we have quant with T and quan without T, and they both sound the same. Well, depending on the dialect, they might sound different, but for instance, the dialect I speak, which is kind of similar to the, let's say, standard, we don't make any difference. So we say quan, and then you have to know through the context if I mean one or the other. And now let's see the translations. So què means what, on means where, quan with T means how much, quan without T means when, and quin means which. Okay, so repeat after me. Què? On? Quan? Quan? Quin? Okay, perfect. Let's keep going. On és? On és? Tot recte. Tot recte. A la dreta. A la dreta. A l'esquerra. A l'esquerra. So on is, where is, tot recte, straight ahead, a la dreta to the right, a l'esquerra to the left. On és? Tot recte. A la dreta. A l'esquerra. Què posem? Què posem? Per mi. Per mi. Què posem is what will we have or what will you have actually, but què posem means what will you take, what will you have. Per mi means for me. So I can say per mi una sopa. Quant val? Quant val? El compte, sisplau. El compte, sisplau. So quant val means how much is it, and el compte, sisplau, means the bill, please.
Molt bé, nois, doncs res, espero que us hagi agradat aquest vídeo. Si és així, poseu m'agrada i subscriviu-vos al canal. També m'agrada moltíssim quan deixeu algun comentari i sempre intento respondre-us i res, si teniu preguntes o suggeriments, recomanacions, sempre la veritat és que me n'alegro moltíssim perquè és així com es millora i com es poden tenir idees més bones, no? Doncs res, espero veure-us ben aviat pel canal. Va, que vagi bé. Adeu.